So your iPhone charging but the battery percentage isn't increasing after iOS 27 update. Don't panic. I will walk you through the most effective fixes and hopefully one of them will get it charging normally again. First, you have to try by force restart your iPhone. This is very basic, but it fixes a lot of charging problems. So you just have to quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down button once, then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. And once your phone turns back on, hopefully it will start charging normally again. And in your case, if you're using iOS 27, open settings, go to battery, then charging, and make sure the charging limit is set to 90 to 100%. If it's set lower, your iPhone will stop charging when it reaches that limit. And then you have to check for this optimized battery charging, make sure this is turned off. Next, check for a software update. Open settings, go to general, then software update. If your iPhone has more than 50% battery and if you have any update available, just update it right now. And finally, the thing you have to check that from your settings and then from your battery, go to battery health and charging and check your battery maximum capacity. If it's below 80%, your battery may need to be replaced. Now you just have to check the charging ports. If you see any dust or lint inside, gently clean it with a soft blower or a soft brush. Avoid using anything metal as it could damage the charging port. Also try a different charging cable and power adapter. Make sure you are using at least a 20-watt power adapter that you may know works properly. Sometimes the charger is the real problem, not the iPhone. And then if your iPhone supports wireless or MagSafe charging, try charging it that way. If wireless charging works but charging with a cable doesn't, the problem is likely with the charging port or the cable. If the issue continues, open settings, go to general, then transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset, then choose reset all settings. This won't delete your photos, videos or apps, but it will reset system settings that may be causing the charging issue. Also make sure your iPhone isn't too hot or too cold while charging. Extreme temperature can slow down or even stop charging. If it feels too cold, you can gently warm it by using a hairdryer from a safe distance for just a few seconds. But in your case, if it feels too hot, move it to a cool place and let it return to a normal temperature before charging. And finally, if you have tried everything and the battery percentage still isn't increasing, it's almost like a hardware issue. So you just have to open up your app store, search for Apple support and install it from here. And then you have to open the app, select your iPhone, and then you have to choose charging or the topic that best matches your issue, then tap make a reservation. Choose the nearest service location and book an appointment to have your charging issue checked. And hopefully one of the solutions fixed your issue. Let me know which one worked for you. Thanks for your time.